Welcome to the Car Zone, such as the 1950s Chevrolet Bel Air or Corvette. However, its extreme modifications, including the sleek, low-profile stance, custom grille, and exaggerated chrome features, indicate it's likely a custom hot rod project rather than a stock. Launched in 1969, is a legendary Japanese sports car that revolutionized affordable performance. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, long hood, and short deck, the 240Z offered European-inspired. It delivered exceptional performance and handling, earning it a devoted global fan base. The Fairlady Z became a cultural icon, paving the way for generations of Nissan Z cars and cementing its place in automotive history. The Chevrolet Corvette C1, introduced in 1953, is an iconic American sports car that defined an era of automotive design. Its elegant curves, chrome accents, and distinctive front grille set a new standard for luxury and performance.